In this video we're going to multiply two numbers by each other to make a product. 68 times 7. This method is a computation method. It's a trick. There's a rhythm, there's a pattern, it helps you to find the answer. I'm going to start with my unit of 7, and what I'm going to do is times 7 by 8, and then I'm going to multiply 7 by 6. So I'll start with a 7. 7 times 8 is 56. 56 has 6 units and 5 tens, which I'm just going to place here. I'm then going to look at 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42. If I add it to the 5 I've already got here, I've got 47, which is 7 units and 4 tens. 68 times 7 equals 476. This calculation is an example of long multiplication. So for example, I'm going to multiply 432 by 73. Much larger than the previous numbers we've looked at. But the rhythm remains the same. I start with my unit, multiply it by 2, multiply the unit by 3, multiply the unit by 4, and then I move on to the 10, which will multiply by 2, multiply by 3, and multiply by 4. So here goes. I'll start with a 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12, which is, of course, 2 units and 1 ten. I've now used the 3 units, and I'm going to move on to the 7 tens. So I'm going to put in what's called a placeholder, because I've got no more units left to work with. So I will begin calculating to put value in this space here. 7 times 2 is 14, which is of course 4 units and 1 ten. 7 times 3 is 21. Add the 1 ten, that's 22. So I'll place 2 in here and 2 tens across to here. 7 times 4 is 28. Don't forget the 2. 20 and 2 will be 30, which will be 0 units and 3 tens. My next step is now to add 1296 and 30,240. So here we go. I've got 6 and 0 units, so that's 6 units. I've got 9 tens and 4 tens, that's 130, which is 3 tens and 100. I'm just going to place down here. I've got 200 and 200, and don't forget this 100, so a total of 500. I've got 1000 and 0,000, which is of course 1000, and at the very far end I've got 30,000. So 432 times by 73 is 31,536.